I'm going to give you a few moments of silence. During these few moments of silence, you will go deeper and deeper into relaxation. To have you go deeper, I'm going to give you a few moments of silence. During this period of silence, with every breath you exhale, you will go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Feel this silence within your body and keep going deeper and deeper with this silence. With every breath you exhale, you will go still deeper and deeper into relaxation. Feel more and more relaxed than before. Let entire your body feeling the silence. Visualize yourself at the bottom of a staircase. As you climb upwards, the steps are narrow and they lead you up to a golden door. I am going to count 1 to 10. In this counting process, very easily and spontaneously, you are climbing the staircase, and by the count of 10, you will be opening the door and entering into hall of Akashic Records or Akashic Library. So now start climbing the staircase. 1, going upwards. 2, 3, 4, 5. Climb upwards the steps. 6, 7, 8. And by the count of 10, you will be opening the door and entering into Hall of Akashic Records or Akashic Library. 8, 9, and 10. As soon as you step inside, you will find an old and wise man who is the guardian of the library. Explain him why you are here and ask him to help you to see your future records. You can follow the guardian into the library. On either side of that hall, there are thousands of books. Some are old, some are new, some heavy big books, and some light books. Soon you are drawn towards a particular book. You can take that book into your hands and look for your own name inscribed on that book in golden letters. You already know that this book is the book of your time and your many lives. Now, open the book to that page where the record of your probable future 5 years from now is written. As you look at the page, allow yourself to have visions. Look into all the significant events of that future time. Trust the impressions which are coming to you. And now, carefully turn the pages and go to the second page, the record of your probable future 10 years from now. Absorb all the informations carefully that you require from this book. See what you see, feel what you feel, experience what you experience. Now, turn to the page where you can see the record of the probable last day of this lifetime. What are your last dying thoughts? Did you fulfill the purpose of this life? And now move on to the record of your immediate future lifetime. You can see a vision of you, who you are in a future lifetime. Are you male or a female? Which country are you born in? See if you can recognize any people who look similar to your present life. Or maybe present life personalities. Scan all the important significant moments of your future life. You are free to change the scene you are observing. See if there is anything in your present life that you can do to advert this future possibility. You can request your masters to guide you in this process. You know that all that you have seen was for your highest good, and you are doing your best in your present life, making necessary changes to create a wonderful and lighting future. Slowly return back to the normal walking state completely by the count of 3, feeling refreshed, relaxed, and rejuvenated. 1, 2, and 3. You are back in your normal walking consciousness.